up, guys? It's your girl Taija G, and I'm here today with another video. Okay, so I know you heard me say over and over again about this drink that I have, Simply Doyen. Okay, so I've been drinking it almost every day, but I'm going to do the 5-day cleanse this week. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat, what workouts I do, what I drink, all that good stuff. So I'm doing the 5-day cleanse. Okay, guys. So what I have is 2 of the 4 products that I have. This one is the Kale Blaster Simply Doyen. It is really good. It has carrots and kale in it and ginger. Okay, it's the bomb.com. Seriously, you don't even realize you're drinking kale and carrots. It tastes so good. It doesn't have any milk in it. Literally, it tastes like chocolate milk, but it doesn't have any milk. It's so good. Like, oh my gosh. I even have my son drinking it. Literally, he fights me as soon as I... What did you say? You want to talk to them? Do you want to talk? I guess... I don't know. You want to talk? I don't know. He fights me every morning trying to drink this. I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and give him his little glass because he fights me every morning. I decided to do the 5-day cleanse so that I can tell people my results. I'm doing this week with her. And we have started already, so I'm on day 2. Guys, definitely try this. At least try it. So after that, I also have the next product called Aloha Citrus. Okay, it's really good. It literally has pineapple and mango. This is the best fruit drink to drink. Okay, it's the best. Yeah, like it's better than Kool-Aid. Any drink. It's better than Gatorade. It's better. Okay, it's a great drink to drink. Okay. Oh, and then she has these new things called the pineapple mango pops. It's like a frozen pop. It's so good. You guys definitely have to try it. All her links will be in the description down below. She has Facebook and Instagram, so I'll put that in the description down below as well. So you can definitely go and look at her page. Okay, it is growing tremendously. And I want you guys to support us, okay? This is a great thing to be doing, especially because it's juice, okay? Everyone loves juice, right? Am I wrong? And it tastes great. Did I forget to tell you that this thing right here tastes amazing? Did I tell you that? I think I did already, but I have to tell you one more time that it does taste amazing. I'm going to drink her bottle. Once it's defrosted, I will be drinking it and let you know how good it tastes. I'm not lying to you when I say this is the best thing ever because, like, for me, I don't like vegetables, okay? You won't catch me eating kale and carrots, for real. You don't catch me doing that. So for me to drink this is definitely amazing, okay? Like I said, it doesn't have to be weight loss. Like when I drink it, it's only because my iron is low. So I would drink it daily. I would drink like an 8 ounce. Just drink it one in the morning or at night. Just because my iron is low. Especially King, his iron is low as well. So we drink a little glass every day. But I have not did the 3-day, 5 days, or 7-day cleanse. So I'm going to do that for her so that you guys understand the results that comes with it, okay? So please, please, please get your bottles today. It is amazing. I mean, if you don't have it, you just sitting there thinking like, why you don't have it already? Like, you definitely need to try it, okay? It tastes really good. We did so many tastings where I'll pour like a little tester and then people was like, and I'm like, what y'all doing now for? Just drink it up. And then they were like, okay. Oh my god, it tastes really good. Oh my gosh, like I told you it tastes good. Like, why did you not believe me the first time when I said it? Okay, I love food. I love everything about food. So if I'm tasting the food or the drink and I'm telling you it's good, it's good. Okay, because I'm a really picky eater. When I tell you I do not eat these things. But yeah, kale and carrots. Do I really eat kale and carrots? Yeah. The only thing I eat is broccoli or cabbage. Barely, like this little. Okay, like the closest I eat to vegetables is in my Chinese food. You know when you get this fried rice and they put the peas and the carrots and the corn in there? That's the only time you'll see me eating some raw vegetables. Like, no, I do not like vegetables. So I tell you guys once again that this drink, I think King stole my drink. Hold on. Give my drink, King. Give my drink. Okay, he has my drink, but when I tell you that this drink is amazing, I honestly think you should definitely try it. Girl, you know you want to try this drink. It tastes way better than those Nakeds and what else is out there? I don't know. But this tastes good because the taste is amazing, okay? It tastes amazing. The taste is amazing. Look at this. You will see it in your stores one day. I promise you, okay? You will see it in your stores one day. So I definitely think you should be one of the first people to taste it with me, okay? Please taste it, because you will see it in your stores. You'll see it in your gas stations. You'll see it in your Kroger's, your Walmarts, the Superfoods, all that stores, okay? The racetracks. What else I want to be in? The coffee shops. What else? The little small businesses. You will see it, okay? So when I tell you, if you don't want to try it, you will see it in the store. I'm telling you, it's really that good, okay? I'm going to do whatever it takes to get this out there. And this is amazing. Oh my God. Thank God for my mom for making this drink. Literally, it's amazing, okay? I cannot express how amazing this drink really is. You just have to taste for yourself. I'm done talking about this drink. No, I'm really not. We'll be talking about it all the time. But like I said, I'm done with this video. No. Okay. This is thebomb.com. Like I said, go ahead, visit the website if you have not done so already. Follow her on Instagram and Facebook, okay? Tell a friend. Join our contest. We have it on Instagram and Facebook. It's our contest. We have it. Join that, okay? Let her know where you got it from. Oh, we have a YouTube page too. Simply Doyenne. SIMPLYDOYENNE, okay? Go on YouTube, find it. I will actually have it in the description down below as well. Everything will be in the description box for you. You ain't got to worry about nothing. Right in the description box. Click all of them. Show support. Hashtag 4 of your friends. And join the contest, okay? Alright? Join the contest. Let's make this thing global. Let's make this thing viral. Let's get this thing out. Okay? Remember, Simply Doyenne the Kale Blaster. This is our signature drink. This is the first drink that came out. This is our baby. I treat this drink really well. This is our baby. This is my baby. Our baby. Okay, so King definitely decided to put his music in the video. Alright, you guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.